Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. In this video, we will read a few simple sentences with the word your. Your bag is heavy. Your bag is heavy. Your bag is heavy. Your hair is too long. Your hair is too long. Read again. Your hair is too long. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Raise your hand to answer. Raise your hand to answer. Read aloud. Raise your hand to answer. Where is your school? Where is your school? Let's repeat. Where is your school? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Great job! Check the description box for more simple sentences and reading comprehensions. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.